your presentation topic ABC. So let's get started. A is for angry, apple, angry apple. B is for ba, B, bear, big bear. C is for ka, cool, cat, cool cat. D is for duck, daisy, dog, daisy dog. E is for energetic, energetic. F is for funny, fish, G is for good, gorilla. H is for happy, horse, happy horse. I is for E is for interesting, insect, insect. J is for jambu, jambu jet. K is for kangaroo. L is for lady, lion, M is for Mary, monkey, N is for noisy,